everyone. I'm George Diaz, and I want to tell you the three benefits that an online course can offer your current business. Now, if you're a consultant, a trainer, some sort of service provider that offers knowledge, some sort of consulting service to people, there are three really good ways that an online course can really complement that. So the first one is it can help you establish yourself as an expert. People who are working with you already know that, they've experienced that, they have a trust in you. But people who don't know you, maybe they've heard about you through other people, don't have that benefit. So by offering your course in an online format, maybe with a free trial or with some sample lessons, you can get people into a course and show people what you know. Just like you're learning a little bit about me by listening to me and understanding what I know, you can take a step to make your reputation, who you are, more obvious, more clear to people, so that if they're considering hiring you or someone else in the space that you cover, this takes them a little bit closer, and it's personal. People can see you, they can hear you. A course can be used to establish you as their expert. So then you have one step towards making them either a bigger customer, or if this is the course that you want to offer as the final solution, this is what it is. The second one is you can reach people that want to do business with you, that need what you have but can't afford it. Now, can't afford it, I'm going to talk about that in just a moment, but some people are kind of going, gosh, man, I can't afford to hire this person. It's way outside of my budget. I can't do it. But if you can offer what you do in the form of an online course, first of all, your price point can go down because it doesn't involve you doing the work. So it's not, exchanging time for money. So, your cost goes down. Now, initially, it's a lower priced product, but if you deliver a really good online course, and maybe your course is like a step one or a part one of everything you offer, you can teach people and at the same time get them thinking, you know what? I thought we couldn't afford it, but now that I'm more familiar with what they teach and that person's expertise, maybe I can figure out a way that I can pay for this. If they're by themselves, they can figure out a way to, come up with a way to fund this. If they work for a larger company, it could be one team member that can then use the knowledge that you share with them in this online course to sell a consulting or, a larger engagement to the rest of the organization. So you're using your online course as a way to empower someone that's more familiar with your course to appreciate the other services you have, understand the value, and then they can go and sell it to other people. Now, a third benefit of creating an online course is you're currently offering your program, let's say one-on-one or via Zoom, however it is that you deliver your services. An online course can be something that's offered along with your consulting program, so that instead of you having to teach everybody the same thing over and over and over again, you can use this kind of like as your textbook. So, you can start your program off by introducing yourself, telling them a little bit about yourself, and they're saying, look, we're going to meet in 2 weeks, but before then, I want you to go through lessons 1, 2, 3, and 4 of my online program to familiarize yourself with it. You can even include exercises in there that give them homework, things that they can use to prepare themselves so that your time is being more efficiently or more effectively used. So the online course is an additional resource that you offer people as part of what you do in your consulting, your training, your coaching business. And you can spend less time doing what you do. Now, I will tell you, when people look at an online course built by a consultant, it's seen as something that's very professional. It's kind of like, well, not only does this guy know his stuff, but he's organized himself in such a way that his information is online, it's available. There's something about having an online course, just like if you're the author of a book, that lends itself to make you sound more credible, more professional, more put together, which should enable you to raise your prices. So those are the three benefits. There are many more. I'm more than happy to chat with you about how this might be an option for you, so that you can offer just a really good online course to your audience.